Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to share one of our favorite dinner salads, and this is just a salad on its own. You don't need another dish with it. The salad itself, it's your dinner. So I hope you enjoy it. We've been making this salad for 4 years now and we really like it. So start with 2 hands full of mixed green salad, and if you have another, and actually this is a little too much, and if you have another favorite salad like just spinach or just arugula or just any other green, you can just do that. Next to the salad I'm going to add 1 small chopped cucumber, and then I'm gonna add 1/4 of a chopped bell pepper. The more colorful the better, so use either yellow or green or orange. Then I'm adding 1 sliced hard-boiled egg. Next I'm going to add 1/3 of a chopped steak. Just a third, it's plenty. This is what I like about this salad, that you don't actually have to eat a whole steak. You can just use 1/3 of it for the salad. Next, use some fresh parsley if you have it. If you don't, it's totally fine, but it's really good for you, so you should add it. Alright. Then, as far as the seeds and the nuts, I like to add just about that much of sunflower seeds, and then the same amount of pumpkin seeds. And finally, just a few walnuts, or as far as the nuts, this is not the final ingredient, just a few walnuts to get some nice omega-3s. And then sprinkle about a pinch of Himalayan salt. And you know me, so I'm adding a little extra. I always like extra Himalayan salt. And then I'm using olive oil. You can use avocado oil or any other favorite oil that you may have. I would say this is about 2 tablespoons, maybe a little less. Now I like to add a little sweetness to my salad, so I either add some balsamic vinegar, I don't know if you saw it, but some thick reduced balsamic vinegar or some vinegar glaze. And you've seen this one, I use it in my Brussels sprouts as well. So I'm just gonna drizzle some of this, just as such. Alright, and before I finish up the salad, I'm gonna mix everything well together. A couple of spoons. Make sure that the salt and the oil and the reduced vinegar cover everything. It's a very easy salad. It makes really quick dinner, so if you cook 1 steak or 2 steaks, or if you cook 1 steak for 1 person, you can use it for a salad 3 times. And I like to add some sprouts as well, but Whole Foods was out of sprouts and I haven't grown my own yet, so I should probably start them in mason jars here in a little bit. Alright, this is good enough, and now I'm going to add a couple of spoonfuls of gorgonzola cheese. And if you don't like the moldy cheeses, we've had this salad with shredded mozzarella cheese, with shredded provolone cheese, and with shredded Parmesan cheese. So you can add either one of those or whatever your favorite cheese is. And one final touch I'm going to add, it's half a sliced avocado for some more good fats. And this salad is just an amazing dinner on its own. And you saw how long it took me to make it, all of what, 2 minutes maybe? And now both of us will have a fantastic dinner, which actually it's going to be lunch, because I had to film the video during daytime so I can use the daylight. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If this is your first time visiting my channel, please consider subscribing. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Goodbye.